Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening FL Studio and finding the exact parameter that needs an automation clip. You know which plugin or mixer track to target. Right-click the knob or slider and choose Create Automation Clip. This generates a clip in the playlist. Once the clip appears, make sure the playlist is visible and not filtered. You may need to unhide the track lane. Do this now so you can see automation envelopes and move on to precise editing without guesswork. Once the automation clip exists, you edit it in the playlist. Switch to the Draw tool to add points, then drag tension handles to create smooth curves or sharp steps. Make sure snap is set to a sensible value, line, or 1/4, so your edits align with beats. You can right-click points to type exact values when precision matters. While editing, loop the section and play back so you hear changes in context. This helps you judge timing and the shape of modulation accurately. To finish, tidy the automation clip. Trim edges, smooth transitions with fade handles, and lock points if needed. Render a preview to confirm. Make sure nothing else is overriding the parameter. Check the controller mapping and disable any active MIDI control. If the clip doesn't move the parameter, toggle Show Automation in the plugin or reset the parameter and reassign the clip. Save as a new version before major changes. If problems persist, reload the project or restart FL Studio to clear state and test again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.